Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video you're going to find out the difference between imply and infer. These two verbs are often confused, so if you'd like to know the difference and see lots of examples, then keep watching to find out. If you find the video useful, please hit like, and if you'd like to see more videos, why not subscribe to the channel? Let's get started. Imply. To indicate or express an idea or feeling without saying it directly. Infer. To make an educated guess. In other words, to understand that something is true although it hasn't been said directly. So let's take a closer look here. In both cases, the information has been transmitted without saying it directly. But when you imply something, you indicate or express an idea, and when you infer something, you guess or understand an idea. The doer of the action, possibly the speaker, so the doer implies something, and the receiver of the action infers what has been implied by the doer. So let's look at some examples of imply. They haven't responded to my application, implying that they're not interested. So in this case, although they haven't actually said that they're not interested, the fact that they haven't responded tells me that that is how they feel. His aggressive attitude implied that he was not willing to accept the compromise. So although he didn't say he wouldn't accept the compromise, his attitude showed me that he wouldn't accept it. Allowing somebody to hypnotize you implies a high level of trust. So you might not say in words that you trust this person very much, but your action shows that you do. Let's look at some examples of infer. What can we infer from recent voting behavior? So this means that what can we understand from recent voting behavior? Though his voice remained calm, from his facial expression, I inferred that he was angry. So although the person is speaking in a calm voice, you can see, you can understand or guess that they're angry because you can see the look on their face that shows you that. Archaeologists can infer a lot about past civilizations. So they look at evidence and they make educated guesses about what happened in the past. You can't always know 100%. There's no one here to tell us what happened hundreds of years in the past. But we can make educated guesses based on evidence. So let's just recap. The doer of the action implies something. So a speaker might imply something with their actions, with their attitude, with their facial expressions, but they don't actually say what they mean. And the receiver of the action, or the person listening or watching, infers or understands what has been implied by the doer of the action. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you did find that useful, then please hit like, and if you'd like to see more videos, why not subscribe to the channel? Bye for now.